Hey guys, congratulations on the new installation of your Generac generator by DS Electric. Today we're here to talk about the startup process after getting your gas hooked up. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to come over to the generator and you're going to pick the lid up. Once here, you've noticed that you've had a red light on the generator for some time now. First thing you do is you want to turn it to the green. So we're going to push the auto button on the controller. Now, you've noticed that you've gotten the green light on, so first thing we want to do is test everything in the generator, make sure everything's working properly. So you're going to push the blue manual button. Once it's running, you're going to let it run for about 2 to 3 minutes. After that, you'll come back and push the auto button, and it will shut down. Now, once that shuts down, first thing we want you to do is come up to the breaker. There's a breaker here. You'll see it says off and on. You're going to want to turn that to the on position. Now we're ready to test the transfer switch. Alright guys, now we've tested the generator. Next thing we want to do is test the transfer switch. First thing we're going to do is remove the thumb screw from the bottom of the panel. Once you have this removed, we want you to set it on the top so you don't lose it. So we can grab the panel cover, we'll pull it straight out, and it comes right off. Set that off to the side. So, inside, this is the breaker that controls everything out of the generator. To test it, what we're going to do is we're going to shut this off. Once power is shut off to the house, it should take about 5 to 10 seconds for the generator to turn on. Once the generator is running, it takes about another 20 seconds before it actually transfers power to the generator inside the transfer switch. After those 30 seconds, we want you to go around, check everything in the house, make sure everything is working properly. Once everything's working properly, you can come back down to the transfer switch, take that breaker, and pull it back up into the on position. Now what's going to happen is you take 20 seconds for the generator to transfer power back to utility. Once it transfers back to utility, you'll hear the generator continue to run. It's called a cool down period. It runs for about 1 minute before it actually shuts down. Now that it shuts down, you can take your panel cover, you line up both sides of it, push it up, that bottom falls right into place. You can grab your thumb screw and screw it back together. And that's how you do the startup process on the generator.